Hi everyone, let's see how you can download and install Microsoft Project straight from Microsoft. So make sure you follow the video till the end to install it without any errors. To get started, simply open your browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Then go to this first web page. Let the architecture selected to 64-bit. Then in the Office Suites, select Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise. Now click under Project and select Project Professional 2021 Volume License. In Additional Products, select Language Pack. Then under Update Channel, select Monthly Enterprise Channel. Now under Apps, you can keep selected your preferred apps or you can disable them all and click Next. Now select your preferred language. Then scroll down, click on Next. Turn this option off under Upgrade Options. Then keep on clicking Next until you reach to the end. And finally click on Finish. Then click on Export. Now select this option and click on OK. Accept the license terms. Under File Name, change the capital C with a small letter C and then click on Export. Now cut this configuration file. Go to this PC, go to your C drive, create a folder and rename it to Office. Now paste the configuration file inside this folder. Now open your browser again and search for Office Deployment Tool. Go to this first web page and download the tool from here. Once downloaded, right click over the tool and run it as administrator. Now accept the agreement, click on Continue. From here, select the path of your Office folder that you just created and click on OK. So inside the Office folder, keep only the configuration and setup file and delete all other files. Now search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type cd space. Now go to your Office folder, click here and copy the folder path. Go to the CMD window, paste it and hit enter. Now type in the second command, setup space /configure space configuration.xml and hit enter. The downloading process will begin. Make sure your PC is connected to a stable internet and wait for the installation process to finish. Once done, you will get a similar screen. Simply close this window. Now you can easily use Microsoft Project. Accept the license agreement and you are good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you found the content helpful and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.